Good day everyone. Today I will talk about DRRR, which stand for Disaster Readiness and Risk Reduction. DRRR is the studied practice of preparing for disaster and reducing the damage they can cause. Disasters such as earthquakes, typhoons, floods, landslides, and fires can happen anytime, especially in countries like the Philippines because of DRRR teaches how to stay alert, prepared, and safe. Disaster readiness means knowing that to do before, during, and after a disaster. This includes preparing emergency kits, knowing evacuation. On the other hand, risk reduction focus on preventing or minimizing damage by avoiding dangerous areas, building strong structures, and protecting the environment. DRRR is important because it saves lives when people are informed and prepared. Panic is reduced and injuries are prevented. It also helps communities recover faster after disaster. Its conclusion, DRR reminds us that disaster may be unavoidable, but their effects can be reduced through awareness, preparation, and cooperation. We can protect ourselves, our families, and our communities. Thank you.